What is up? Hey, today I'm doing a quick detail of this 2019 Chevy Trax. This car was used by a teenager sometimes, and it is a pure crap show. You see all the stuff embedded, French fries, food, lipstick, all types of crazy crap. And what I'll be doing here is getting this thing back to factory fresh condition. I'm going to use my drill with a brush to loosen up the debris in the carpet. This will make the vacuuming process much easier. And in certain situations, I've used this drill in place of a vacuum cleaner for floor mats, for example. But here you see me doing the front and rear of the vehicle, pulling up that embedded debris that's in the carpet, so it makes it much easier to vacuum. In this clip, you'll see me doing the drill and then vacuuming. The plastics and the materials in this vehicle are pretty rugged, so I'm pretty aggressive with my process here. I just want to clean. So you see me going in here, lifting up that debris that's embedded into the carpet. Now I'm going to vacuum. Eventually. So this drill lifted a lot of that debris, so now I can go in and just knock out the vacuuming process here. Next, I'll be just cleaning the steering wheel. You got oils and lotions and all that crap that gets into your steering wheel, so you want to make sure that you use a brush to agitate the oils that have been embedded in the leather. That is a leather wrapped steering wheel. When it dries, it'll have that matte feeling, just like you just rolled it out of the car lot. Here's a quick look at the car after. Much better. I did the mats. You may see some moisture in the seats, and that's just due to the APC drying. But we're 1,000,001 times better than we were. Guys, let me know what you want to see on this channel. Hope you enjoyed the quick video of the quick interior detail. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all the love I'm getting, and I want to make sure I'm putting out the content that you need. All right, peace.